Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here, and today I have come up with my first ever haul. It is from the app Purple. I had ordered 7 things from there and they were at sale, so I wanted to just buy them and see how they are. There are few brands in this 7 item haul that I have never ever used before, and this is the first time I bought it, so I would be using it in one of my videos and over a period of time, and then probably give my review or suggestion about it. But so the haul has come. This is the haul over here. One thing which was disappointing is this was supposed to be delivered on 8th of this month, but it didn't. So today what I did, I had to go, it was kept keeping on procrastinating for some goddamn reason, and finally I got my hands on it. In person, I'd gone to the courier station and I got it from there. The first ever thing that I bought, I repurchased this item. I didn't buy for the first time. This is the fourth time I'm repurchasing this. This is the Magnet Eyes Kajal. This is so good. This is by Faces Canada, and this is supremely good. It is so dark, it is so pigmented. I have the prices over here and all. So this product is actually, the MRP is 179, but I got it for 135 on a sale of 25%. Original MRP is 179, and the same kajal which I have is running out. It's very small left. It's inside my vanity. This is the Mama Earth's apple cider vinegar acne prone skin moisturizer. This comes for $2.99 for 80 ml of product, and I think it's a good deal. Once you take a little bit and just apply it on your face, it just spreads like a gel. You don't need so much of moisturizer. A little bit is enough. It'll go a long way. And always moisturize your neck. I always remind people that please moisturize your neck. I am undergoing a little bit of acne due to, I think, continuous usage of makeup. There is no gap because I've been shooting for a particular video which is like 13 looks into one, and I didn't have any space or gap. And when I don't have gap in middle of shooting makeup videos, I tend to have breakouts, and because I was undergoing a little bit of breakout, I bought this. And the good thing is it's paraben, it's written over here, it's paraben and silicone free, which is good. It's light and non-greasy and non-comedogenic, and it's so good. I used this product today and it is so good. I really liked it. It smells, I don't know, it just smells a little weird, but I'm okay with it. It's good. It just applies very well. As I said, it's non-greasy, but I would say it's a tad bit greasy, and I can't say it's lightweight because you feel like something is on your face. A makeup, when you're doing makeup and you put this under your makeup, for the base, it sits really well and all of that sort. So I bought this moisturizer for $2.99. That is almost 300, and it comes in two variants. One is the apple cider vinegar moisturizer for acne prone skin, and then another variant, the same Mama Earth's variant, and this is the aloe vera gel with turmeric and vitamin E, and this is for skin and hair. Wait, it's for skin and hair, and I'm like, alright, the gel can be applied to your hair. I don't know. That is for $2.49. And what I got, the Mama Earth apple cider one, was for $2.99. So you can check that out also. But this one is only a face moisturizer. The one which I bought is only a face moisturizer and nothing else. So the next item which I bought was Naked 6 Clammy Loose Powder. This one over here. So they didn't have any sort of shades or anything. They just it just was like this, one shade only was available, and they never specified on any sort of shade. So this is 15 grams of product for $2.75. I got it. Actually, it's a huge sale, $5.99 original price, $2.75 is the price I got it for, and 15 grams of product, I think it's reasonable enough. I had bought it for 600 rupees and I said that it's 15 grams of product. I would have felt really bad, but for $2.75 I'm really happy. It's like a very neutral powder, so I bought it, but shade is 01 over here. This retails for 600 rupees, but I got it at a sale for 275. That is 54% off. Like, can you see? 54% off, and I think that is a steal. And I had to use this powder. I haven't used it. It comes with this. So it's easy to like dab, and then so that it comes with. So inside looks like this, and you have a sticker to peel it off from. So I'm trying to do that. Oh wow! Can you see that thing? What? Okay. This is the loose powder over here, and this is the color of it, and this will suit all the skin tones. I feel it's a very neutral color. Oh, it smells so good. It smells very nice. It just has a very pleasant fragrance to it. Now it's all over me after I peeled it off. I said they didn't mention any sort of shade. If you can see in this also, there is no sort of shades provided. So I got it at a sale for 275. That is 54% off. And the next product, I have been like dying to get my hands on this because I have heard so much about it, and I have seen so many beauty bloggers and vloggers using it, and I'm like, I need to get that. And if you people have been following me from the very start or anything of that sort, you should know that I love my face to be matte, only my highlighter to be blinding. And so I bought this, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray, this one. So I got it. It's so beautiful. Like the packaging is, it's gorgeous. It's not even funny. It's so beautiful. It retails for $4.99, but I got it at 18% off. That is $409, and so I thought it's a good deal. And they have also the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. It retails also for $4.99, but you get it $409 at 18% off. This is the one. It is a white colored one. So I didn't want the natural finish one. I wanted the Wet n Wild matte one, so I bought this. The good thing about it is it's cruelty free, so it's a win-win. And this is like 45 ml for 400 bucks. So I think it's a good deal. So the next product I got is from LA Colors. This is the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder, and this is in the shade Gleaming Goddess. Like this is originally for 650 rupees, and I got it at a 50% off at 325 rupees. Like, see this. I think this was really good because I don't have a whitish kind of highlighter. I have a gold one and I have a rose gold highlighter. So I thought this would be a nice purchase. I haven't tried it yet. So this product is 4.5 grams, and I think it's really good for the price money of paying. And 650, I got it for 50% off. 325 bucks is like, it's a steal. So I'm just gonna like swatch it for you. Oh wow. This comes with a mirror. I just saw this comes with a mirror. Okay, and it comes with a sponge and a mirror, and then the mirror closes. And then you have this. Oh my god, like that is a really good purchase. This is the mirror, and when you close it you get this, and look at that sheen. So I'm just gonna like swatch it. Oh, it's like butter. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it here for you. Can you see that? Can you see that? So this is the shine. Oh wow, that's actually good, and there is no chunky particles of glitter. This came out more gold than of anything. I don't know. This is more gold than I expected it to be, but not bad. It's a good highlighter. I don't like chunky highlighters. This is stunning actually. I can't wait to like try it out because I am a highlighter fiend. So the next thing that I got is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Glitter Single Eyeshadow in the shade Spiked. This is the eyeshadow. This is so cute, the packaging. I got it for 108 rupees. It originally retails for 135 rupees. So I got it for 20% off. This is the rating. And they come in 10 shades. Like these glitters come in 10 shades. So this is the color. Oh, so sweet. It looks so cute. And I'm gonna just swatch it for you. Oh, That feels like butter. What? Okay, so I'm gonna just swatch it for you over here. Oh, this is stunning. So I'm just gonna swatch. It doesn't come off. What? It doesn't apply properly. I don't know what's wrong. But this is the color, guys. So it's kind of chunky, but I don't mind it. I can't wait to try it on. So it's really nice actually. The color, it's this color originally. It's this color and it looks good. I'm gonna try it, but it's not coming off. Like, what is the matter with this? I'm struggling to get it off. It's not coming off. Okay, it's chunky glitter. I think you need a good eye primer to apply this, or eyeshadow glue or something to apply it. It's not coming off otherwise. So this comes in 10 shades. So the shades are, this is spiked, bleached. Apparently there are 2 spiked. Like this is also spiked. This is also spiked. Anyway, so there is a bleached, second spiked, and there is mink brown and karma, nude karma, toasty, nutty, panther and envy. So I think these are really good shades. Wet n Wild even have matte shadows, single matte shadows. You can try that out. And these are 1.4 grams for 108 rupees, and I think it's a good deal. The next thing that I'm super excited about is the Stay Quirky First Base Prime Oil. So primer oil, not prime oil. Stay Quirky has given 5 claims, that is: prep skin for makeup, moisturizes skin for a seamless makeup application, reduces appearances of dry fine lines, and blended with vitamin E and olive oil, instantly absorbs and add radiance. So I used this for a shoot today, and it is kind of good for a person who likes makeup to be glowy and having that kind of effect on the face. It doesn't absorb in the skin. And I used it today for a shoot, as I said, and this doesn't cover. And people who think that a primer oil can cover your pores and all, it doesn't. If you're a person who has large pores, please invest in a good primer, then use it. This can be used for a dewy makeup look. It'll be really good because it gives you that kind of effect. So the good thing about this product is, in this kind of cap, it was actually closed, and they gave this one separately, this one separately. So they just had like closed it like this and given, and that given a dropper separately. So I'll just show you how it works. So one drop is enough for you. It just drips like so far. It's so liquidy for an oil. It's not thick at all. So this is it. So it has that oily, can you see that sheen? So it gives you that sheen. It doesn't absorb immediately because my hands are still like really oily and all. So that gives you that very beautiful sheen. If you like dewy makeup, you can just apply like a drop. One drop is enough to cover your face. Max to max 1.5 drops. Don't apply 2-3 drops like you apply normal moisturizer. Like, just don't do that. Just apply 1 or 2 drops. And this moisturizers, they say, but always use a moisturizer also with an oil. It'll be better, I feel that, because this doesn't give you that appropriate amount of moisture. I've tried it today and I'm telling you. So this is it, guys. This was my haul. I hope you guys liked this haul, and DM me and ask me any doubts or queries that you have. So this is what I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do like, comment and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. My Instagram handle is down in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all.